Hello traders, it's Yanis here, and I would like to welcome you to another video for our weekly Renko forecast. Starting with USDCAD, you can see already that we have trades activated, pending orders, whatever, and you can see that here we are talking about already price reacting on a big 36 EMAs area here. We have a bounce, we have a higher low, and you can see even here that we are talking about a very powerful movement, a lot of pips to cover, an M48123, and of course, according to our rules, we could go like we already are long. And here we are talking about this is an M6, let me see, we are talking about like 25-30 pips going for 1,800. But the whole point is to create quickly your win-win scenario, so you can create a stress-free trade. EURCHF. On EURCHF, you already know that we are short and our last position is running with 400 plus pips. What happened here is that we have re-entered, since this is the only settings price retrace. It's powerful. It's very late as an entry, but we are counting on volatility, and not only that, we are counting on this big area that price can cover, more than 500 pips. That's why we re-entered with two positions, of course, late. You can do that with lower risk and lower settings combination for sure, but the direction we would like to follow on EURCHF is going short. New Zealand dollar CAD. We have already our pending orders and we are waiting for the price to activate them, going short. Again, if you look a little bit closer, you will see that price moved lower than these spikes, and that's why I said I would like to go short. Of course, as a plan B, if price retraces some more and creates a conservative bounce setup within this zone here, then my strategy changes and I go long. Right now, you already know about what we've been talking for 36 EMA being really close to support and resistance levels, but I would still wait for an opportunity to go short. It might take a little bit longer than usual, but I don't mind that at all. GBPCAD. We said that, we saw that, and we said bounce trade as soon as we get an opportunity. You can see here how powerful this area is, and what we said also is, since price has broken my 36 EMA, you already had the bounce opportunities, of course. We would like to go for another retracement, and again you can see that we are talking about, after I get the retracement, more or less like 700 pips. I think that also worth our attention. On Euro New Zealand dollar, I know it doesn't look good. You can see that we are waiting a really nice 1, 2, 3 to go long, but if you look at the bigger picture, what we have here, besides a very powerful trendline break, we had a retracement till combined support area, and that's why we are counting on a 1, 2, 3. We want a higher high here because of these spikes. We already know that The closer the holidays are getting, the less volatility we are going to get. But if we are to focus in some pairs, Euro New Zealand dollar will be one of them if we get the setup we want. Aussie yen, we already have our combination, and if we go a little bit higher, you will see that something similar happening. So again, plenty of room to cover, and what I would like to get is another setup according to my system and of course my rules. Going long would be a perfect opportunity. If we look a little bit closer at AUDCAD, we will see that finally price got out of this small range. It continues at its previous course, and what has given me is a very nice retracement. Now the only thing missing is my 2 to 3 line break. Of course I can combine that with lower settings to go short. Something that we are expecting. It doesn't mean that it will happen, but we know what we want the price to do. So that's why we focus on our bidding. If it happens, perfect. I will be there to take the trade. If it doesn't, there wasn't an opportunity anyways. So nothing is lost. Aussie Kiwi. I have double bottoms on a major support area. Price has reacted, has moved. After my second one, I have a higher low, I have my crossovers, and the only thing missing is a nice retracement. So that means Monday morning we will be waiting something to happen. 2 to 3 line breaks, retraces, 2 to 3 line breaks, and then I can go for 400, almost 500 pips, or even more, because when we create our win-win scenario, we stay long or short forever. So I hope you enjoyed the video. See you again, of course, Monday afternoon with our top-down approach. Have a beautiful weekend, everybody. Cheers.